Hello guys, welcome to another video of my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the Lego Millennium Falcon X-Wing fighter. So it's a new version and this is the old version. This one I got for my 10th birthday and this one I got for my 13th birthday. As you can see, I already kind of opened it, so let's get started. Now that I organized it, let's start. Now that the build is done, this is what it can do. This set is basically just like this set, except newer. The redesign is that this one has more intricate details in it, and this one is kind of minimalistic, just like in the movie. And one thing that I do not like is the opening thing. It is very hard to turn, and it always does not fully open, so it might break. And this one, it was cleaner. You could have just done that and you're done. Also, they fixed some stability issues in the front. So like, for example, in this one, they had rubber bands at the back, so the front was never fully joined. And in this one, they have rubber bands in the front and back, so they can be fully joined. And yeah, that is my review for this new Lego set. If you like this video, subscribe and see you on the next one.